This is Rohit Chatterjee, and I work in the field of IT operations analytics. Large-scale IT systems are very complex, and we have to use specialized tools to monitor their behavior in real time. We measure the load on the infrastructure layer, on servers, routers, other network devices. We measure the traffic going between components. We look at the virtualization layers. We look at databases, middleware, applications, and consequently we have large amounts of data available for analysis which needs to be looked at in real time. The idea is that if we can analyze the data, then we can predict problems before they occur. Or even if we can't do that, then once a problem has occurred, we want to be able to identify the root cause as quickly as possible to suggest corrective actions. So we're hit with different types of data, but for this talk, for the Fifth Elephant Conference, I'm going to be looking at time series data. I want to be able to take different snapshots of time series and be able to classify them. I want to be able to look at a pattern and say, yes, I've seen this before and it's okay. Or I have seen this before and it's not okay, so something bad is going to happen soon. Or I have never seen this before and therefore that by itself is a cause for alarm. Now the time series that one sees when one looks at these IT systems, these don't look like stock models. They're not trends plus cycles plus Brownian motion, the polynomial component or whatever. In fact, a lot of them are very simple, but there's a great variety to them, and so one wants to be able to classify them in an automated fashion, and one wants to do that quickly. So I have been looking at the mode statistic, the most common value, and I found that the mode is a useful statistic for doing this kind of classification. And so in my talk, if the talk is voted on, I would like to talk about how the mode can be used to distinguish different series from one another. And I'm going to talk about the mode on the original series as well as on the first order differences, the series of adjacent differences. And so you should vote for this talk because it's going to be awesome. And it's going to be new as far as I know. I have not found these techniques in the literature. Maybe they're well known to statisticians, I don't know. But I've never seen it. So you will come away with something new.